How to disable Instagram story comments. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable Instagram story comments. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on your device and make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and choose three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and locate option of comments under how others can interact with you. Tap on it to access comments. Now under who can comment, you will see two options, post and reels and stories. In order to turn off story comments on Instagram, you have to select a stories option. If it is said to everyone, people you follow or anyone else, you can choose off instead of the two options. This will completely disable Instagram story comments. You can even block comments from the particular people if you don't want. Using the search bar, you can search the username and completely block those users, and they won't be able to comment on your stories. To disable the story comments for a particular story, you can simply open your story at top left corner and easily click the three dots and tap turn off story comment. So in this way you can easily disable story comments on Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.